Hey everybody, I've got a 2021 Mercedes Sprinter 2500. It's in the 144-inch wheelbase, two-wheel drive, and I talked with my local KONIG snow chain representative, and he suggested that these would be the best snow chains for the size and weight of the Sprinter 2500. The KONIG XB-16s are square linked. They are diamond patterned on the tread, and they have assisted tensioning. Let me show you how easy they are to put on and take off. They go on really quick, and they come off really quick. So I think you're going to like them just as much as I do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.